Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Current HEX cost in every practical sense is $0.32. HEX falls 29% in 7 days, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX cost investigation truly is negative today, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. First help level for HEX sort of is $1.30, which in a real sense is very huge. 28 February 2024. In this video, we will in every practical sense walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually explicitly got clarification on pressing issues facts, what really is somewhat momentary cost expectation for HEX. Explicitly is HEX a wise speculation, or so they essentially thought. HEX help and opposition levels and so on, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet prior to plunging especially profound into the HEX specialized investigation, let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which generally is very critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $237, 612, 272, 306, or so they really thought. The very all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $163, 559, 595, 374 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16-33%, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16-33%, which essentially is genuinely critical, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658% in a genuinely significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, which basically is genuinely huge. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 4.2, and as of now exchanging at $112.25, which certainly is very huge. Furthermore, XRP came to $57 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 407% in Steam in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a by and large descending heading for transient in a genuinely significant manner. As of now, an especially broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how the sort of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $163, 559, 595, 374, which especially is genuinely critical. HEX help and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support for the most part is a level at which purchases for the most part become more certainly dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors really move pretty dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which fundamentally shows that first help level for HEX certainly is at $0.30, which basically is very huge. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of HEX execution. The day-to-day graph of HEX by and large shows that the HEX cost in every practical sense has a for the most part descending development with a 119% lessening in exceptionally beyond 24 hours, showing how similarly opposition basically is a level at which dealers certainly move genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of shows that first help level for HEX especially is at $0.30 in a significant manner. The value worth of the HEX coin sort of is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $584, 394, 461 USD. So support for the most part is a level at which purchases explicitly become in every practical sense something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is very critical. Hex cost changes 29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is drifting around $3,738.49 USD, which generally is genuinely huge. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for 28 February 2024 inside an everyday time period most certainly made sense of underneath, showing how support especially is a level at which purchases truly become genuinely more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize really relative strength indices, moving sort of normal, and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward, moving most certainly normal SMA and outstanding moving essentially normal MA to in a real sense break down the future development of the hex. By and large further appearance how Sol the fundamentally local coin of Solana basically is up by 4.2 and right now exchanging at $112.25, which basically is very critical. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid truly further appearance how similarly obstruction especially is a level at which merchants generally become moves certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that first help level for Hex in every practical sense is at $0.30 most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Hex financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day diagram, which truly shows that Hex help and obstruction levels and so on, or so they really thought. Hex truly has a certainly the closest opposition of $36, especially further appearance how similarly obstruction truly is a level at which dealers for the most part become move exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially shows that first help level for Hex essentially is at $30 in a by and large significant manner. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would support the upswing force, which truly shows that Hex cost examination most certainly is negative today in a significant manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at $39, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers sort of betray the Hex, the by and large bears could handle the market and generally take Hex cost underneath the essential help level of $30, which really is very critical. While Hex's Williams percent R pointer by and large is at 23.18 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, an exchange exceptionally signal in a real sense is certainly conceivable at this reach, showing how the sort of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $163,559 to $595, 374. The general strength list RSI demonstrates that the Hex coin especially is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI for the most part is at 54, which essentially shows that furthermore XRP came to